Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning. Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. Keep inspired, keep motivated, and look to kickstart your day. Now you can book a free 30-minute call with me. Send me a text message on 07801 543 515. My calendar is open for you because today it's the perfect day to start to eliminate that problem or the issue you've got. Think about what problem you have right now and just how much you want to stop. It's going to keep happening if you don't take action. Stop ignoring the pain. It is time. Now, here is today's quote. Maybe if we all sit extremely still, Monday won't be able to see us. Shh, you've got to try and stay quiet so Monday can't see you. But really though, why would you want to hide from it? It's traditionally the start of a brand new week packed full of opportunities and so many possibilities for you. So instead of trying to hide from Monday, get yourself out there and chase it down before it gets away.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.